Number 12, a transformation is applied to a figure to create a new figure on a coordinate grid. Which transformation does not preserve congruence? Congruence meaning equal. So what we're going to be looking for is which of these four statements is not preserving congruence, which is not equal. So let's just set up a shape in the coordinate grid. So I'm going to take a right triangle and put it right there on the origin at 0, 0, and then we're just going to rotate it, and we're going to use this shape to determine whether or not this shape preserves congruence. So let's start with a rotation of 270 degrees counterclockwise. If we rotate that, it's going to actually turn into quadrant 1 into quadrant 3. And when we take that into quadrant 3, it's going to be the same shape. We're just rotating it. We're just moving it around. It's not going to change its size. So A does not work because it does preserve congruence. Okay, let's go to B. A reflection across the y-axis. We've highlighted the y-axis, so we're going to reflect over, which is a mirror image. So let's go ahead and reflect that over. It looks like it's reflected now, but it is the same shape and the same size, so it does preserve congruence. So that would mean that B will not work either. C, dilation. Dilation by a scale factor of 1.5. Dilation is going, let's take a look at how we can dilate this shape. So when we look at this shape, it's a 3 by 3. So we're going to dilate it by 1.5 its size. So when we do that, 1.5, 1 is 3, and a half of 3 is 1.5, so it will be 4.5. So when we have a 4.5 by 4.5, because we have to do it on both dimensions of this shape, it's actually going to get larger. You can see that our new shape is larger. So C, a dilation does not preserve congruence because it does get bigger. And let's take a look at D. D, we're just translating it 50 units down, so we're going to take that shape and just slide it down. When you slide it down, it doesn't change its shape, so D doesn't work either. So, which transformation does not preserve congruence? C, a dilation by a scale factor of 1.5.